Cooking and smoking house. Jixiang cooking and smoking system is famous for its excellent performance in food processing. The chamber is made of a high-quality stainless steel and a special insulation material which ensures the durable construction and the minimum heating energy consumption. The system is capable of cooking, drying, baking, reddening, smoking, and exhausting. Touch screen shows you a graphic actual processing situation. The parameters, such as time, temperature, and humidity, can be adapted to the requirements during production. You can select the individual steps or a processing program. Up to 100 different programs can be created and stored. High-performance PC software for monitoring and documentation can be adopted as required. Fast and uniform processing climate can be realized throughout the system. Bowl cutter. Bowl cutters are suitable for preparation job of mixing, chopping, and emulsifying. Modern technique for accuracy and reliability ensures a smooth operation, high productivity, and low energy consumption. Normal control or frequency conversion control is optional. ZB200 and ZB330 are equipped with automatic loading and discharging, temperature and speed display. Different products ranging from coarse chopping to fine emulsion can be achieved, which boasts short cutting time, small temperature increase, good density, and elasticity. Vacuum bowl cutter. Original German cutting knives have been adopted for the vacuum cutter with high technology. Programmable control technology and friendly HMI realize monitoring at any moment. Temperature, rotation, and time can be clearly displayed on the screen, which makes parameter setting up convenient on the screen. Rotation of cutting knives can be increased stably. High-speed cutting knives make materials cut in short time, with little temperature increase and improved density. In addition, more proteins are extracted out to be combined with fat, water, and additive sufficiently, so as to get optimum emulsification, reduce the bubble, desired elasticity and density, as well as good productivity. Brine injector. Brine injector is an essential machine for preparation in processing of meat, poultry, and fish. It is hygienic cleaning and simple operating. The reliable and profitable design delivers a measurable, uniform, hygienic, and continuous injection result to both boneless and bone-in products. Customers can adjust the transport speed, injection pressure, injection height upon specific processing requirements, so as to get optimum injection results. YZ82 adopts frequency conversion technique for adjustment of pressure and transport speed. The appropriate injection rate ranging from 20% to 100% can be achieved together with a quick and uniform injection. Grinder. Rotating worm in grinder is used to push materials in hopper onto the pre-cutter. The relative movement between knife and whole plate can grind fresh or frozen meat into desired particles. JR300 is especially for grinding frozen meat. Stainless steel body with a smooth surface is a high standard hygiene and easy to clean. Proper whole plates can be selected upon specific processing requirements. Bone separator. Bone separator is made of high-quality material with novel design, accurate machining, and imported key parts, which has a wide range of applications such as chicken bones, fish, and other products with bones. The separated muddy flesh is well emulsified without bone fragments. The production rate can reach approximately 50% to 60%, cost saving and benefits increasing. Mixer. Mixer is used to mix the meat, additive, ice, and water sufficiently. All the mixed materials can be unloaded conveniently. Vacuum mixer. Self-supported body made of high-quality stainless steel is hygienic, reliable, and robust. The parallel twin shafts with mixing paddles and pushing rings are adopted, which ensure the shortest mixing time, non-damage of products, and uniform mixing results. The mixer cover adopts back inclined, pneumatic open, and shut over with a security lock. Type 1 and 3 adopts manual control, and Type 2 and 4 adopts PLC automatic control. 3 and 4 is with adding nitrogen function, mixing mode, total mixing time, forward or reverse rotation time, and interval time can be preset as desired. Single shaft unloading and double shaft unloading are available. Vacuum mixers mix the meat with other additives in absence of air. This can improve the retention of the color, smell, and taste, and ensure longer shelf life. Ice maker. Ice maker is used to make ices in different sizes during food processing and storing. Ices are used to lower temperature, keep material fresh, as well as to make cooling drinks and water ice. Ice maker features automatic control function. Its cooling system adopts imported forced air cooling compressor. Type 1 is equipped with ice storing cabinet for convenient ice storing. Vacuum tumbler. Jixiang vacuum tumblers offer a wide range of applications such as massaging, marinating, and mixing for different kinds of meat. Appropriate vacuum and rolling speed ensure the optimum meat structure, color retention, and protein extraction. Various functions of forward and reverse tumbling, continuous tumbling, intermittent tumbling, total tumbling time, interval time set, vacuum loading inlet, vacuum suction opening, reverse rolling unloading. Frequency conversion vacuum tumbler. Frequency converts the vacuum tumbler features frequency conversion, speed adjustment, low energy consumption, easy operation, and excellent tumbling result. Type 1 is electro-mechanical controlled. Type 2 is PLC controlled. 10 different processing modes can be selected and 100 programs can be stored. The imported touchscreen PLC for Type 2 frequency converter and a digital vacuum indicator are adopted. Various functions of Type 2 tumbling mode can be programmed. Vacuum or non-vacuum tumbling, forward and reverse tumbling, continuous tumbling, intermittent tumbling, breathing tumbling, total tumbling time, interval time, vacuum loading inlet, reverse rolling unloading. Hydraulic reversal vacuum tumbler. Hydraulic reversal vacuum tumblers features massaging various meat products in vacuum through horizontal and inclined massaging condition. Larger productivity, automatic reversing, and inclined discharge. Frozen meat cutter. Frozen meat cutter can cut the frozen meat with big size into cubic size, from 50 mm to 150 mm, which can be directly put into the grinder. Frozen meat cutter adopts a hydraulic system for loading and cutting. Cooking house. Cooking house is for cooking various meat products and flour products. The machine features low energy consumption, automatic control, and a wide range of application. Type 1 is electromechanical controlled and Type 2 is PLC controlled. House temperature, core temperature, and time can be preset. Sugar smoking house. The generator of sugar smoke is fixed at the bottom of the furnace, which creates a rapid heating. The sugar-smoked meat products have nice color-coded and a good taste. Cooling house. The refrigerant is transferred by compressor to the evaporator or refrigeration cycle, so that the evaporator surface's temperature falls rapidly. Boiling kettle. Boiling kettle can be used in boiling various kinds of food or sterilization purpose. Elevator. Elevator is an accessorial device to provide material lifting service to lift materials into the required position. Lifting principle is to realize lifting and lowering purpose through chain. Filler. The filler adopts a hydraulic piston structure for adjustment of filling speed. It can be used to make various sausages and hams with a diameter from 12 to 18 mm. Tenderizer. The relative movements of knives cut the inside fiber. The tenderized meat tastes tender and has improved structure. Small-sized food machines and accessorial equipment are also available. Vacuum mixer. Mixer. Slicer. Grinder. Knife sharpener. Vacuum tumbler. Mobile loader. Mobile suction cart. Brine mixer. Meat cart. Hanging trolley. Hanging stick. Chopping workbench. Filling workbench. Good products come from good equipment, and good equipment bring good profits. Jixiang has already completed the hop, skip, and jump, from development-focused to brand-focused till culture.